Howdy folks, this is hashtag Bone Phone. Today we are going to do an unboxing and a little review of SKYFIRE. This film is directed by the person, I know it says Tomb Raider and Expendables on there, but he actually done Con Air too. I mean, that is a mint film. Right, shall we do the unpackaging first? And this is the front, as you can see. There's the spine, and there's the back. We will take the wrapping off, if I can get it off there. Did not cheat for that one. Alright. There's the front. There's the spine again. And there's the back. If you want to see the writing. There you go. It's only an hour and a half, this movie. No extras in this one, just the disc. And there's the disc. It's a 12. So I shall give you a little review of this one. Get my mouse clicking. Basically, it's your just a disaster movie. It's about a volcano. They have this fancy resort on this island, and it's like I say, it's made from China, but you know, it's fairly good. It's fairly good acting. There's a few members in there which is about as entertaining as paint drying, but the rest of it is, you know, moderately okay. The strongest role in this one's the Land Rover. Seems to be indestructible. You know, there's a scene in it where they go, this is the safest place in the world, so you know damn well something's gonna happen there. But I ain't got too much I can really say about it, because I don't want to say actors' names, because I'll end up saying it wrong and end up offending someone. So yeah, the film looked good. Like I said, the acting was, some members were really good, and then some like a statue. But I would say, like I say, on offer, worth a watch, but not full price. But this came out in 2019, mind you. But it's only just come out come out a little while ago. But you know, on Blu-ray, got held up. I say there's plenty of reviews on it. Seems to be one of those 50-50 kind of films. Some people seem to like it and the rest don't. I mean, what it grossed at worldwide, just less than 25 million. Yeah, it's the original from China. Come from, so like I said, it's worth a watch if it's on offer. But this isn't nowhere in the category of Con Air or anything like that. This got excited when the person who made them done this film, and that was a bit of a letdown. I mean, that's pretty much all I got to say to it. Alright, thank you. Catch you again. Please like and subscribe.